guys, welcome back to Love Jhanelle. My name is Jhanelle for those of you who do not know. I'm guessing if you clicked onto this video you're interested in a Vixen base for your crochet braid. So I came up with this idea when I was editing that video of how to make a base without ends sticking out, like the lazy girl method. I think it came out really well. We're gonna see how it fares once I start to wear hair on it. The hair I used was this Jamaican Jerry, but this video isn't about the installation, it's actually about creating this base. So if you're interested in seeing how I accomplish this, stay tuned. Now this versatile method is going to allow you to part your hair in many different ways. You first start by parting your hair into 4 separate quadrants. You're going to part coming from the front of your head straight back all the way to the nape of your neck. So that's going to be the first part. You can take your time and go through it again to make it as straight as you want. The next part you're going to make is from the top of your ear all the way across to the middle part. You're going to bund them up and keep them out of the way, and then you go on to the next part, which is to continue that part all the way across to the top of your other ear. You section off the part that you're not going to work with. See, you have your 4 quadrants there, and now you're going to work on the first quadrant by parting that into 4 smaller quadrants within that quadrant. So I make the smaller quadrants, the 4 small sections, by doing the same cross that I did with my whole head. So once you've parted off the smaller sections, you're just going to temporarily twist them out of the way, just so it doesn't get in the way. You make 4 small twists and then you go on to the next part. Now you're going to want to unravel one of the twists and then you start to plait. The direction of the plait depends on which braid you're going to add it to next. So I am going to add that plait to the front, so I'm plaiting it in a forwards direction. Then I open up the front part, and you don't have to plait to the end, by the way. You just plaiting enough just to reach the other section, and then you add that plait to the other one. You're going to want to do the same thing going down. So just like how you brought the first one forward, you're going to bring the second one down, and if you follow that trend, you then go ahead and follow the third plait backwards, so you're gonna get that square going. At this point I'm just working on getting all of the plaits together. I'm not really focused on my edges because I know I can go back in afterwards and fix those up. So you plait the last one all the way to the end, and then you crochet that into the first plait, then the second, and if your hair is a lot longer than mine, you go around and around until there's no more hair left for you to tuck. So there you have it, that's the first quadrant done. You're going to repeat the same steps going around your whole head, so all 4 of them, you just do the same thing. So that's pretty much how you do the method. You repeat the same steps with all 4 quadrants, and then lastly I go in and add some gel. I'm just adding some gel to the perimeter just to keep it stiff and in place. If you want, this is the point where you would go through and style your baby hairs up, if that's your thing. Like I said, I'm just going in and just making it all nice and neat. So after you put the gel on, you use something to tie your hair down. You leave it on for a few minutes, and then it's left for you to crochet. So there you see, I have it all done. It's looking nice. It really does look natural, especially with the hair I chose. You will have to manipulate it a little to disguise some of the parts that you don't want at each time. It's just very easy, just shifting the hair across a bit more. As you can see, you can do the middle part. You're able to do the two side parts. You can get some up and some down, and you can also have the center part go all the way back. So very versatile, like I said. If this video is useful, I would love for you to let me know by hitting that thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this. Also, let me know if you're interested in seeing any other kind of videos from me, because I was thinking of documenting my fitness journey. I wasn't quite sure, so let me know if that's something you'll be interested in, and I will surely post my progress, some recipes, and maybe some workouts and things like that. Posting my journey online could keep me accountable for what I'm doing. I can help inspire you, and you can help motivate me too. So let me know if that's something you'd like. Until next time, my lovelies.